However, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to change templates on Squarespace. Alright, as of 2024, as we all know, Squarespace templates have been removed by Squarespace itself. Alright, the only thing that you can do, for example, you already have selected the template. Alright, so you can see here, this is a free template from Squarespace. Well, the only thing that you can do here basically is just use this one right here at the top right, which is site styles. Tap on it. As you can see, you can go ahead and change your themes right here. You can change it different colors. All right, color palette. Now, another one, you can go ahead and change your fonts right here, the color of the fonts, and add some forms. Also here in miscellaneous, you can go ahead and add some animations, spacing, and image blocks. Now, if it's okay with you to start over again, you can just go ahead and go to squarespace.com/templates. All right, just hit on enter, so you'll be redirected to this exact page right here. All right, and from here you'll be able to select your favorite templates. For example, I'm going to change this one to this one right here. All right, and again, you can just go ahead and tap or click on start with this design and wait for it to load. As you can see here, from here, you can just go ahead and start over with your codes and changes if you want to make changes. For example, here again, go to the site styles. And from here, you'll be able to see the same set of settings right here. Themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, and miscellaneous. And that's how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.